Hello guys, Sorin here. Welcome back to our next video and to our next lecture from this course on how to use Amazon Video Direct to build your own online business right there into Amazon and sell your videos in their marketplace to their customer database. I wanted to show you exactly how the Amazon video marketplace looks like, so you can be in the shoes of a possible customer of yours. So you can know exactly how your videos will look like out there in the marketplace. So right now, as you can see, we are on Amazon.com, and if we go to the departments section right here, you will see that we will have the first option that we will have between all of these options and departments is Amazon Video. And if we go to the Amazon Video section right here, we will have all videos included with Prime, add-on subscriptions, rent or buy, okay, because you will see that you have more options for your videos. You can even rent them if you want to, free to watch, okay, and a lot of other options. So let's go to all the videos to see exactly how it looks like. Okay, so this is exactly how it looks like, okay, the Amazon video, the video marketplace. We have TV shows, movies, shorts, okay, other options here, watch list, video library, so for people who already bought or saw. So this is exactly why you need those art forms, okay, those key arts, background images, and so on. Because as you can see, you will see them here in the marketplace, okay, so they need to be really well done, so you can get people's attention. As you can see, a lot of already well-known, very well-known TV series, web shows, producers have jumped in on Amazon Video Direct because, let's face it, they have a huge consumer database. So we have with Prime, okay, The Man in the High Castle, which is actually their TV series, as you probably know already, okay, but we can see here other Boardwalk Empire, which is created by HBO, okay, VIP, which is created by HBO, and a lot of other options, okay. We have new release movies, Eddie the Eagle, Deadpool, so you can also have a look at different movies here, okay. Top movies, rent or buy, okay, so in the section rent or buy, Prime trending TV, okay, so you have different options right here, okay. So as you can see, we have a lot of well-known titles right here. And if we go to movies, okay, Prime Video now available for $8.99. If we go to movies, we can see here a lot of the movies that are already published. Okay, let me see if I can find something for you. I don't know, like tutorial, let's say. So we already have a tutorial, okay. This is probably created, I want to show you videos created by people that already published their videos here, okay, like you will do. So for example, we have tutorial, all videos, movies, okay, how to install a WordPress blog on a website, video tutorial, okay. It has like 1 hour 45 minutes. And rent or buy, as you can see, grow your business with Twitter, rent or buy, Amazon Video Direct tutorial, wave explosion, okay. So as you can see, there are already people that have published their tutorials there, but there are very few. It's nothing, we have 14 pages here, so it's nothing crazy right now, because a lot of people don't know about this opportunity yet. So this is how it will look like. This is why you need that 3:4 aspect ratio, okay, for your key art, so you can have it here as a thumbnail. So this thumbnail that you see here for your for this video is the 3:4 aspect ratio. So that's how it will appear for you too for your videos, okay. Then you have included with Prime, okay. You have options here, add-on subscriptions, rent or buy, or free with ads. So a way of doing money with Amazon is the fact that that you can make money out of ads. Okay, so you can have free tutorials, people watch them, and you will get paid for having ads, exactly like it works for Google AdSense on YouTube. Okay, so if people see your video, they will also see ads, and you will get paid for that. Okay, this is actually very, very nice. You can start with free videos. For example, I know some of the guys that I already see here. Okay, and you will make money out of the ads. That's actually very, very simple. Okay, so guys, this is how the Amazon Video Marketplace, Video Direct Marketplace look like. You have a lot of options here. You can watch whatever you want. As you have seen, a lot of already well-known TV series, web shows, movies have jumped in on Amazon Video Direct because they realize the potential that this platform has. So we need to jump on it together too, because it's actually a huge opportunity. Thank you very much, guys, for your attention. You have seen how the marketplace looks like right now, and it's time to go to work and jump on our Amazon Video Direct accounts and see exactly how it can work for us. Thank you very much for your attention again. Bye bye for now. I wish you all the best. Sorin here, and I am looking forward to see you in our next